Hi, I'm Sally McArthur. I'm Professor of Biomedical Engineering here in the Faculty of Engineering and Industrial Sciences at Swinburne University of Technology. I gave a talk at one of our alumnus events, and delightfully at the end of that event, actually one of our alumni came up to me and said, well, if I gave you $500, would that help? And I'm like, yes, definitely. We were lining up for a student to actually go and spend some time at the University of Sheffield in the UK, and that contribution actually helped us pay for her airfares for that trip. Now, that trip's really important because they have a lot of skills at the University of Sheffield on cell culture, and it's not something that we had a strong background here at Swinburne. So Kiara, the student, went across, spent 6 months working in the UK, and she's now brought all of those skills back to us, and we're now implementing it in the lab on our bionic eye and bionic vision projects. So for the bionic eye project, we have lots of great students, obviously really keen to be involved in this work. So we can provide them with the scholarships that we need and get the right students in, but the actual day-to-day operations of those are really helped by additional funding that comes in from alumni. So an antibody can cost us $500. That's a lot of money, and we need multiple antibodies. So the ability to access additional funding to provide us with all of the things that we actually need is really important. I would really like to thank all the alumni who actually contribute in any way to the ongoing success of the university. It's great that you actually recognise the sort of quality work that we're doing here, and we really appreciate both the money that you invest with us, but also the time you spend actually contributing, giving suggestions, and in many cases, many of you actually act as on our advisory groups as well, and that's really important for us, just as important often as finance. The connections that you bring into the wider community for us are essential to the ongoing success of a lot of our research. So as part of this year's appeal, what we're looking for is people who are willing to help us in so many aspects of the way the university functions, be it in our scholarships for undergraduates or postgraduates, be it in our research activities via indirect or supporting funding. And these are such great ways of actually interacting with the university and being part of what I think is going to be an amazing future for the university. I'd really like to take this opportunity